Greta Thunberg's fight against climate change is going great. It got cold outside pretty fast and started snowing back in November. Winter hit us unexpectedly. Must admit that I got surprised when winter came so early. Expected to ride through brown landscape for a bit longer. Frost already started in the fields and roads became frozen and slippery, but cold is not in a hurry to come to forest. All who puddles here are covered with thin ice, roads are still soft, which is convenient. It is possible to drive softly through them, leaving only ruts. Today I am in Žemaitija, and the purpose of the trip is to return home safely, avoiding asphalt or roads in general. Journey starts in the furthest point from home, because in the case of breakdown wouldn't need to turn around, and slowly approach Ruškis lake. Landscape here is quite unusual, because I live in the plains. All those tiny hills everywhere looks lovely. Driving using only rear wheels drive, with mud terrain tires. All we are with mud, snow label, that have no grip. Each climb is like a lottery. The less traveled road, the better chances. Well, nothing to worry about. Most important thing is to take your time and plan all stops in advance. At least 50 meters ahead. It's almost tradition to come back from trip with additional strange noises at Ford. Today is no exception. Manual gearbox decided to start making strange sounds, especially loud in second gear. Try to avoid second gear, soften route and keep on moving towards home, allowing myself to skid a bit in the corners. You never know, it might be the last trip this year with Ford. As you can see, I can't climb on simple road. Just a small hill and Ford gets stuck. Had to turn 4x4 to climb this one. Managed to return home safely, but long search of new old gearbox awaits. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel and click like.